4th of July, everybody. This is Juddy, Jerod, and Alvin, and I going to Plum Orchard. Alvin's going to get his sea legs. Jerod's going to be in Louisa's kayak, and Big Al's going to be in Jerod's kayak. Of course, I got mine. Not an all-day trip or nothing, just enough to let Alvin get his sea legs, see what size kayak he's going to have. Jerod's kayak's rated for, I think it was 350 pounds, 375 pounds. Alvin's just a little over 300, so we're going to see what happens. So I'm waiting for them to head up the road, and I'll be following them. So we'll see you at the lake. Here we are again at the lake. Jerod, myself, and Big Al is down there guarding the kayaks. We're going to get him on the water. Well, Jerod is. Jerod's letting him use his kayak, which is rated for, what'd you say, 325 pounds, and Alvin's right at 300, a little over 300 pounds. Gonna see how it does.
Might be a short trip if it doesn't float good.
Yeah, like Jerod said, it might be a short trip if it don't float good. But trying to get Alvin interested in it and whatever. So we're just here for a little bit to see how he's going to do. And of course, this time I've got the GoPro camera on my kayak, and the battery's charged. But never done that before in the boat, so.
Yeah, I'll be using my wife's kayak, letting Alvin use mine. Hers is rated for 300 pounds. So hopefully this all turns out well and we have a good float today.
Alrighty, well, we're getting down here. I think Alvin's taking pictures. So, we'll get everything set up and be in the water here shortly. Yep, here we are. Big Al's getting ready to get into Jerod's kayak. This will be his first time.
So you're centered? Here's this. Put this in that cup holder on the front.
Put the bungee under it. He seems to be doing pretty good. The kayak seems to be fairly stable. For right now, stay right where you're at, Alvin.
Alright. Well, he's
Now,
good, it ain't.
Yeah, he's good. I'm just waiting for you to get out here. The main thing is just keeping your balance. Now, it's going to rock.
Oh, yeah.
Big Al on the kayak. Jerod's still getting ready. Now, my biggest question, Alvin.
Yeah.
You know how to swim?
Yeah, I do know how to swim.
Because I think his PFD's in behind you, and you can't get to it if you get out until you swim up to it.
No, I swim like a fish. I can swim, float, do all that good stuff.
You're good. And here comes Jerod in Louisa's kayak. Yeah, that one seems to be riding.
Oh yeah, it's riding good up there.
Yeah. Here comes Jerod. Now I'll see if I can get this GoPro going.
How about before that? You get me the sunscreen. stop. Yeah. You take your paddle and you just go. Okay. And just put it in the water and it will stop you, and then you can start paddling backwards a little bit to stop you the rest of the way. And then, if y'all want to, we'll go up here around that bend.
Go into that cove.
Because this cove is a no wake zone. Right now we're in the middle of the wake zone.
So if somebody come flying.
Come flying with a boat. Yeah. We're going to be doing this crazy number.
And the one thing too, I don't know if Jerod told you, when you're paddling, when you put this one in, okay, he's telling you about your feet.
Yeah.
Your right leg pushes against your stirrup, and you turn like that with the paddle, not really leaning that way.
Yeah.
And then when you do this side, you get the left foot and you do the same thing.
Or you can just press with both feet.
Yeah.
Push you back into your seat.
Because a lot of times I just do it real slow.
Right. And we're not going to try to go fast. Right. We're just going to try to go for a slow paddle. We're going to get up here to the no wake. Okay. I'll let you go. Because you're not ready for a boat swim. No. And when you paddle, you can do this. Just wait, I'll get up on you. Instead of going in right beside you and getting a full paddle, get the paddle forward.
Unless he's smart enough to slow down. He's being kind. And I'd rather face the waves than have my back to them.
You've heard them. Yeah.
It'll take you some while to get used to it, Alvin.
Oh yeah.
You gotta remember, this is only my 3rd time. This is probably Jerod's 5th or 6th time. And I don't think he's ever been in Louisa's. Now this is the only way to fish. Like I said, I was going to bring my fishing pole and I didn't.
Put it backwards like this. If you're paddling backwards like this, and then you can pull forward, and then you can get yourself stopped. Oh yeah. But out here in the water, it's a whole different experience. Oh, yeah.
Big Al, just a floating. And hopefully that's Jerod coming into the frame. I don't have a real good GoPro mount on this thing. Yeah, you or Louisa didn't even record any video yesterday, did you?
I just haven't sent them to you.
Oh, okay.
We'll go up the cove a little bit. All right. We're going to keep you out of the wake zone for now. Come in like a wrecking ball.
Now what you have to do, Al, is keep an eye out on the Facebook yard sale, Greenbrier County yard sale on Facebook.
Find a Perception Swifty 11.5. Me and Louisa might be able to help with that. It's not beautiful though. And once you get comfortable, you'll even have a better time.
Yeah. Hell, Jerod, think about my first time.
What about it?
I was kind of stiff as a board.
Well, but by the time we left,
Yeah,
we were out here for like an hour, 2 hours, maybe 2 hours.
2 hours.
By the time we left and went back, he goes, we were only out for 2 hours. He was upset. He didn't want to leave.
But we was here yesterday for 3 hours. My butt was so sore. I was ready to get out.
I'll tell you what, her seat is so much more comfortable than mine.
There ain't nobody at that dock.
Don't look like it. There ain't nobody fishing here.
No,
It's a 40 I think this will be covered.
it's too hot, like that one guy said. If you're gonna fish, you gotta come and do that first thing in the morning. No, it's a goose.
Oh, really?
In the water?
They live over there. Oh, right there. Yeah. They live over there. Oh, okay.
Louisa fed him yesterday.
Oh, wow. You want to go check them out? Sure.
Yep, old Goose over on the bank. I don't want in the lily pads.
Okay, what you gotta pee?
Hey, you gotta pee, you gotta go to shore.
This is right there. Okay.
Over where the dock is.
Why you gotta pee? Yeah, I gotta pee.
Shouldn't have drunk all that stuff in the truck.
We didn't drink all that stuff. We drank one thing. I'll go with you because getting out is a whole nother deal.
There goes Big Al and Alvin to the shore. Alvin needs to take a little potty break. But he's doing good for his first time out. So I'm going to head over that way. Oh, cool breeze. This is beautiful out here. Why did I have to wait till I was 59 years old to enjoy this? And they're coming back. Yeah, you're floating good.
Huh?
Said you're floating good in that.
Good.
As long as you keep your weight balanced. Now the one thing that I watch from watching videos is your knuckles right here.
Yeah.
They need to be perfectly in line with that blade on the right. Turn your blades around. No,
Like that?
just like no. Turn it the other way. On up. Right there you go. Your right hand needs to be aligned knuckles with the right blade.
Oh, okay.
Okay? And then this hand, you're supposed to kind of leave free.
Right.
This when you do your gripping, and when you do this, then you grip. That way it doesn't tire out your hands. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This is the one you're supposed to have gripped on. This one you kind of do it loose. Now I got to soak my rag. I got one of those things from Walmart that you soak in the water, put it around the back of your neck, keep you cool. Kind of just wring it out, and then throw it across the back of your neck.
I got one of those when I was pink ones, there's white ones, there's light pink ones. I think up here's one. That other coat was white. Notice that I put this on my sunglasses.
Yeah, I see.
Just on my sunglasses.
Right. Where's your boonie? Oh. Didn't you notice? I seen Alvin had his on, so that's time. Get the boonie out. Just a minute, I'm coming up. Hand it here.
Daggone wind. We're gonna see how this thing will lean.
God almighty, Jerod. Why'd you put it in your hip pocket? You got cargo pockets.
Well, yeah. That smells like cat pee.
Old Jerod racing. Oh, he's gonna be fancy and paddle backwards. Yeah, I sat there and thought to myself, Alan, I said, why did I have to wait till I was 59 years old to start doing this?
Right.
Of course, back whenever we were fishing New River and everything, there wasn't no such thing as these type of kayaks.
Exactly. Well, when we was doing that, shoot, we got more of a kick going on the river and spending the night and doing all that.
Oh, yeah. But you remember the times we went down to Hawk's Nest, down to the lake on Denny's V-bottom boat?
Oh, yeah.
Could you imagine having these down there?
Oh, man.
It's strange how the wind will blow him that way,
Yeah.
the wind's blowing me this way, and you're going straight.
I'm just rounding y'all.
All of a sudden, there's a bunch of people shows up. Well, it looks like Big Al is enjoying himself. Jerod, I don't even have to imagine if he's enjoying himself. He loves it. GoPros are going, so I'm hoping we got some good video. So they're going along ahead of me. I guess I better get to paddling before they get too far away. getting her way up ahead of me. Don't know if you can see them or not. Crane, a black crane. Doing good, Alvin. Yeah, it does. One thing it's too is when your arms start getting tired,
Yeah.
you end up pulling more of one than you do the other one. Well, we're done for the day. Me and Jared's going up to get the trucks. Alvin did real good with his first time out. Now if we can just find him a kayak like Jared's. Looks like Jared got a little bit of sun on his arm.
I already had some on.
But we've been on the water about almost 2.5 hours. Lost my crock. So, get the trucks, get the kayaks loaded, and head back. Thanks for watching. Well, we're done. We're leaving. More and more people showing up. But we spent a pretty good bit of time on the water. Alvin got his sea legs partially underneath him. We've got to get him a kayak. But we've determined that he needs one like Jerod's, about 11 and a half, 12 foot, rated for about 350, 375 pounds. But he did good. We held up a good piece of the lake, and like I said, we paddled up a good piece of the lake, and he done real good. Really glad to see him do that well. So hopefully we can find him a kayak. We'll be all three of us out on the lake, and then we'll start doing some fishing. I was going to bring the fishing gear today, but with him just learning, first time out on a kayak, thought I'd leave fishing gear at home. So we just had a good time on the lake, paddling around. So stay tuned to J&J True Outdoor Adventures for more excitement. We still got some turkey hunting videos to get up. And of course we got the kayaking videos we're starting, and hopefully lead into some fishing videos. We still got bushcrafting. I'm waiting on Jerod to come up with some more ideas for bushcrafting. So just stay tuned to J&J True Outdoor Adventures. We appreciate you watching. Please like, subscribe, share our videos. We appreciate it.